it's time to get serious. Let's say you have a video, a YouTube video or any video in the browser that you want in your PC, and you want to download it, but at the same time you don't want to download it. Yeah, so what if I say if just by watching this video it will be saved to your computer? Like you are literally downloading the video data as it buffers in the YouTube. Alright, so this data is just saved to your browser cache, and what we're gonna do today is we will just obtain the file from the cache and copy it elsewhere in your computer. So for this you will just need a Mozilla Firefox. Well, it works with other browsers too, but it works best with Firefox because in Google Chrome or Internet Explorer, I don't know, the files are divided into smaller parts, and then it all gets messed up and you can't get the video properly. But in Mozilla Firefox, when you watch the video, it all is combined into one single file. Alright, so you need a Firefox, and secondly you will need a program called Video Cache View. Yes, this I've provided its link in description, and you can just download it. And the third thing you will need for this is a website called youtube.mp4.to. This is actually a YouTube to MP4 converter, and this is exactly the site you need. I'll tell you in the tutorial later. Alright, so just first get your video, open this website, download the program from the link in description, and then we are ready to go. What you're going to do now is get the video URL, the link. Okay, just open the video and get this top address. Yeah, this is the address. So what you have to do is just copy this. Copy. Now go to the youtube.mp4.to website, paste the link here and convert it. Okay, so now here you click this download button and you will get the links. Alright, so you can get them in any quality you want, it doesn't matter. I'ma just go with this 360p MP4. Right, just click the download button and the video will open. This will open. Yeah, this is what you need. All black boundaries and the video in between, nothing else. The pure video which is uploaded on the internet, the googlevideo.com URL, this is what you need. And you just have to wait for the video to load completely. Let it buffer to its death. Yes. Alright, do not skip this if it's not loaded. It will corrupt the file and then you won't be able to get it, or some problems will happen. Alright, so just this is loaded, and if you want you can watch this. Alright, so you just play this video, it's loaded. Now what you have to do is open the Video Cache View application. Alright, now all of this URL will be loaded, and somewhere here you will find your video. Just let it load. It's not hard to find your video in all this mess. I'll just show you once it's all loaded. It's very easy. Alright, so now you can see it's all loaded. These goddamn 793 URLs. So I'll just press F5 to refresh it again. What the hell I just did? God damn it.
Really?
The video which you going to need is this, Mozilla temp/41. Alright, it should be in cache, and you can see the browser type here is Mozilla Firefox, and the cache type must be temporary folder. It must be. Alright, it will be saved in your temporary folder. So you just find this, it will be somewhere on the top or at the bottom of all this complete list. And you can see the video file size here, 1.03 MB, and it is exactly the size of the video we were going to download. Alright, so what you have to do here is just right click here and click copy selected files to. Click this and you can just take any location that you want, desktop or whatever your folder. I'll just copy in this video files. Click OK and the file will be copied there. Okay, so just open the location and here is the file. See, I've just downloaded all of obtained all of these videos with the help of this trick. So you just have to right click this file, rename it and enter .mp4 ahead of it. So now it will be converted into the video that you need. You can open and watch it anytime you want. It's all yours now. Alright, so that's it. That's how you just obtain these videos. And just remember, you should never ever skip. If the video is not loading, you can just watch it to the point where it's loaded and then pause and wait for it to load completely. Alright, if you just skip anywhere, it will get corrupted and you won't be able to get the video. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like this video and share to your friends and blah blah to anyone. Everybody, share it to everybody, because this hack is just discovered right now. Yes, make this viral, please. It was actually this software is very old, but I found this and did some research and found this way to obtain these files. So yeah, it will help everybody, so share it and subscribe our channel for more awesome videos. Thank you.